everybody, it's Dr. Nicole Friels here. I have an exciting patient to share with you today. It's another one of those really, really long toenails. She had not had her nails trimmed in years. You're gonna see something called a ram's horn nail. It's quite common when that fungus just starts and continues to impact and grow and grow and grow. It's probably 4 centimeters at least on both big toes. So watch ahead and you can kind of see how I take care of it and tackle it, all right? Tilt this up just a little bit. Now that big one looks like it's almost gonna come off. One of the big ones. I'll move this over, and this is the Dremel that they'll use after to smooth down all the rough edges of them.
You're gonna, when I first saw them, I thought it might need to be surgery or something.
I'm hoping not. I'm hoping that where the nail is barely attached, that I can just kind of clip a piece of it and it's gonna come off. That's my goal. Okay, let's check here. And I think also a good soak for like on a daily basis or every other day to kind of some agitation to get some of this debris off would be great. Kind of keep, yeah, and it's an antifungal as well.
Just sort of sit in the tub and soak.
That's actually it's a separate foot soak tub essentially.
Okay.
And I order it from a compound pharmacy, and they will send everything, the instructions on how to do it. And it's great because it's got an antibacterial as well, so it's great for preventing infection. Is she having problems wearing shoes?
Yes.
Yeah.
That's when I first noticed it. And I thought, you gotta be kidding me.
Yeah.
She doesn't see very well.
Okay.
For probably the last year, it's very much deteriorated. So I don't really think she has a clue.
Okay. So let's see how we can get a hold of this guy. This is called a ram's horn nail. So it takes on the appearance of a ram's horn. Okay, let's see. I'm hoping just to clip a little piece and get it started because fungus just loves a layer. That way we don't have to numb it up. Let me see here. You ready? Almost there. You doing okay? Good. There it is.
Thank you.
One down. You're welcome.
Thank you, sweetheart.
Oh, you're so welcome. One down, one to go. Okay, we can still get a lot more here. You're gonna be ready for dancing after this. So we'll definitely get that foot soak, which would be fantastic to get in between the toes and help with the debris there. And we're gonna be doing this often if you prefer. She can come in every 9 weeks and we can manage them.
Okay.
So we don't have to go through this again.
Okay.
Yeah.
9 weeks.
Every 9 weeks, you got it.
Okay. Sounds good. Thank you.
You're so welcome. I bet you didn't think it was going to be that easy, did you?
As a matter of fact, I didn't. I'm so thrilled.
Good.
It's so sweet of you. And you.
Tara's here for moral support.
Exactly. You're going to feel like a new person.
I like your outfit.
Thank you.
That's very lightweight.
I know. Thanks to this one here.
And nice pockets.
Yeah.
Good for you.
Well, we want him looking stylish, you know, as
Sure.
much as possible.
Sure, this is very nice material.
Mm-hmm.
But that is the good thing about wearing scrubs, though. You don't have to worry about what you're... Ooh, watch out, ceiling. Well, with the mask, I don't have to worry about the nails getting in my mouth anymore.
Right.
Well, how did you find us?
You take care of my husband.
Oh, perfect.
Yeah. So you came highly recommended.
Wonderful.
Always a good feeling.
I definitely don't want to come not recommended.
Right. You didn't know about these sweetie pies, did you?
I had heard a little bit.
Good. Very good.
Okay. Oh, and you can see here, this nail is actually digging into the toe right here in the area, so that could definitely pierce it at some point. So this will feel much better. I could see how shoes would be a real problem. So you're gonna lose about 5 pounds of toenails here. Okay, let's see if we can do the same thing with this one here. Just relax your foot for me,
Okay.
and let's look for the area where the nail. Here we go. I think we're gonna have success here too. There we go. Okay, not too bad.
I like your shirt.
Thank you. It's really comfortable.
Pretty color.
I figured for a Monday.
Uh-huh.
Just watch your. There we go. Takes 2 hands here. Well, with it raining this morning, I thought something bright would be.
Good. Very nice.
Thank you. So a lot of this is just built up debris. So the foot soaks, and then. Are you able to soak your feet when you get home?
Mm-hmm.
That'd be great, and if someone or you can get an old toothbrush to kind of help the debris, it'll soften it.
Okay.
And in fact, are you able to reach the toes?
Uh-huh.
Perfect. I'm gonna have you apply a nail gel. What that's gonna do is soften it. So when you come in, it'll be a lot softer for us, and you will be able to remove more of the nail.
Okay.
Sound good?
It's great. Thank you.
You're welcome. All right, let's see what soften can be. You definitely don't want to take one big bite because you just don't know what's under. All this is just soft debris, but skin can be embedded in here as well, so
It can be deceiving.
it absolutely can. I mean, I think we've all kind of nipped ourselves from trimming toenails. Yeah, it just continues almost to the.
Hurting.
Are you okay?
Uh-huh.
Okay,
Sure.
good.
I'm not.
Did you want to step out? It's fine.
I'm thinking about it.
You're welcome to. However you're comfortable, we're fine. There's a little hole underneath, which will be good, so I can kind of get a big hunk. Yes, my husband always wonders. He's like, every time I walk in the door when I get home, I go immediately to the shower, and I'm like, you don't know what I've done all day. I don't want to touch my cat. I don't anything in the house. Trying not to put my finger over for you guys. I know you like to see the whole thing. It's hard not to, you know, once you've had it in your mouth or hit your face. Yeah. It's just crumbling. All right. I think at this point, we can go ahead and get the Dremel and smooth down all these rough edges. Okay. Okay, everybody, thank you so much for watching. If you or you have a family member at home that could use our services in keeping these toenails under control, please comment below. Give us a call at the office. Happy to take care of it. Thanks again for watching the channel. Don't forget, subscribe. See you next time.